Should I schedule HVAC maintenance before summer? Yes, scheduling it in spring can help your heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system cool your home more reliably, safely, and efficiently during hot weather. A maintenance visit lets a trained technician inspect the parts that work hardest when temperatures rise. They usually clean the outdoor coil, check electrical connections, test the thermostat, inspect the blower, and examine the refrigerant system for warning signs. A dirty outdoor coil can make the system run longer because it cannot release heat properly, which can raise your electricity bill. The technician should also check the condensate drain, because a clogged drain can cause water damage or shut the system off. One detail many homeowners do not know is that a weak capacitor may still allow the system to run during a mild day, but fail when extreme heat puts more pressure on the compressor. Ask the technician to measure airflow and explain any unusual readings instead of accepting a quick visual check. You should also replace a dirty filter before the appointment and keep plants, grass, and stored items away from the outdoor unit. Scheduling early gives you time to compare repair estimates and find replacement parts before the busiest weeks of summer. A common mistake is waiting until the system stops working, so book service during spring when appointments are usually easier to get. Another mistake is believing that changing the filter counts as complete maintenance, so treat it as a basic homeowner task and request a full inspection. Some people also agree to every recommended repair without asking questions, so ask what is urgent, what can wait, and whether the technician can show you the problem. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Jobit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.